This bridge, which is known as Tikait Rai Bridge, is situated on Lucknow Malihabad Road on the Behta River. There is an beautiful temple on the left side of the bridge. Decades before, this bridge was the only source of transportation for crossing this river. Then, with the passage of time, this bridge became dilapidated and was kept out of use by the administration. There are four long minarets. There is one Persian engraving on this minaret. A new bridge was made on a little distance for transportation, which still exists. The old Tikait Rai Bridge is under the protection of ASI. Some scenes from the famous Hindi movie Junoon were filmed here. A serial Kehkashan directed by Jalal Agha featuring Parikshit Sani as Josh Malihabadi was also shot here. This is Lord Shiv Temple. I have been here several times and we used to go inside, but as of today the entrance gate is locked from outside. From many years I am visiting this place, and every time my likeness for it increases as old places become more appealing with the passage of time. The jharokas on the bridge will give one a great view of the river and the surrounding greenery. Tikait Rai became a minister in the reign of Nawab Asif-ud-Daula. He constructed many temples, mosques in our state. He was a patron of Hindi poets and gave shelter to a number of them. Tikaitganj as well as Bazaar Tikait Rai was founded by Tikait Rai. See the greenery outside the temple. In a book, Tasbihul Ghafleen, written by Abu Talib, an official of Nawab, which was later translated from the Persian by W. Hoy, it's mentioned that Tikait Rai was bonded by Hasan Raza Khan, Peshkar and superintendent of accounts. Tikait Rai had a humble origin. He was a villager's son, and at the time of late Nawab was a servant on rupees 15 a month of Khushnazar Khwaja Sara, who was Tahvildar of the jewel house. This is the rear portion of the temple. Then after Nawab's death, he became servant of Akbar Ali Khan, Daroga of Mukhtar-ud-Daula's Diwan-e-Khana, and thus became acquainted with Anwar Ali Khan, who was Mukhtar-ud-Daula's factotum. Then becoming familiar with him, he was then raised to dignity. These are the Persian engraving. These two inscriptions found on the bridge at Tikaitganj are quite important as they throw light on the work of public utility. Their purport is identical, but dates are different. Of them, the first states that Raja Tikait Rai built bridge over the river Behta in 1785 AD. The other inscription dated is identical, which suggests that construction of bridge commenced on the first date, while it was completed on the second date, that is 1788. In my opinion, it is pertinent to mention that Tikait Rai was an accomplished statesman and was an able administrator who undertook many schemes for public welfare. In the monsoon season, the greenery of this place is a treat for the eyes. So, thanks for being with me. That's it for this episode. See you soon. Goodbye.